All right, we're going to begin with the latest on the coronavirus emergency. The United States now reporting more than 5 million cases across the country, deaths now exceeding 162,000 after another 5 straight days of over 1,000 daily deaths. Robin.
So we're going to talk to one of the top public health experts later this morning, Amy. But first, our Steve Osunsami has the latest from Atlanta, where a massive new mega testing site is opening near the airport to help in light of all the new cases in Georgia. Good morning, Steve.
Good morning to you, Robin. They are setting up that mega testing site behind me right now. They're expecting to be able to process as many as 5,000 COVID-19 tests per day when this is all set up. They're expecting 500 people today who had to register by appointment. This is happening at the Atlanta airport in a parking lot that has remained empty because the coronavirus has seriously diminished air travel. It was started in part by Georgia's governor, who has taken heat for not, according to critics, doing enough to combat the coronavirus. The coronavirus is bringing a new and frustrating milestone to the United States this morning. More than 5 million diagnosed COVID-19 cases. A new report from the American Academy of Pediatrics, coming with the start of the school year, says that nearly 339,000 of reported cases are in children and nearly 100,000 children in just the last 2 weeks of July. In the Georgia high school, where last week this photo of a crowded hallway flew around the internet, raising both questions and alarms just 2 days into the school year, 9 students and staff members have now tested positive for the virus. The school sent a letter to parents at home obtained by ABC News announcing that they're temporarily switching to digital learning for at least 2 days while they clean the school. Hannah Waters was one of the students who took the photo that caught the world's attention. She and another student were temporarily suspended until the school district reversed the decision.
It was worse than I thought it would be because I thought more kids would be wearing masks, and I thought social distancing would be attempted in the school, but it wasn't.
At another school district in suburban Atlanta, more than 470 students and staff members were asked to quarantine after at least 19 students and 6 staff members tested positive. Schools in New York State are struggling with these decisions too and are trying to open for their families. The state was once the epicenter of the pandemic, and the governor is now saying yes to in-person learning in the fall as long as infection rates stay low. Each school district, including New York City, the biggest public school system in the country, will need to have their opening plans approved by the state, and schools will have to follow public health recommendations, including mandatory face coverings for everyone.
Good news, all schools can reopen. Again, we have the best infection situation in the country. If any state can do it, this state can do it.
All across the country, there is still concern over the spread of disease at large events. Over the weekend in Sturgis, South Dakota, tens of thousands crowded an annual motorcycle rally.
We just say, you ride free, you take risks, calculate them, be safe. We don't want anybody to get sick.
In Texas, Harley Garza's father got sick and died on Sunday. Oswaldo Garza was 59 years old.
My dad was a strong, hardworking Latino man who loves his family, who loved his wife, who loved his kids, who loved his granddaughter, who put his family first before himself till the very end.
In California, 16-year-old Frankie Quintana's mother says it was a plasma infusion that saved her son's life.
Without that person donating the plasma, Frankie wouldn't be able to sit with me right now.
There are testing centers like this one opening across the country. Here, testing is free. You can come no matter what your symptoms are. This one will be open until August 26th.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.